Welcome to this tutorial on how to create and add a watermark to your photos in Canva. Let's get started by opening Canva and creating a new project. Import your photo into Canva and add it to the page. For this demonstration, let's use this photo as an example. Navigate to the Text tab and add a heading. Type your brand name or desired text. Then choose a visually appealing font. You can opt for uppercase text and select a color that contrasts well with the photo, such as white. Adjust the size and position of the text to suit your design. Next, go to Transparency and lower the opacity to make the watermark subtle. You can also copy and paste the text to repeat it across the image if needed. To add your logo with a transparent background, simply drag and drop it onto the photo, resize, and position the logo accordingly. Click on the logo layer, adjust the transparency, and lower the opacity to blend it seamlessly into the image. Once your watermark is set, click on Share and download to save your image with the watermark applied. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.